myself Biswajit Biswas, and I am from completely non-IT, so I didn't have any kind of technical knowledge. So I was pretty much interested in IT sector. In that sense, I don't have any kind of coding knowledge. So I choose QA through Crio. I got to know about that online. I taken the course and I'm doing good. I learned a lot of things like Java, Selenium, and key automation as well.
Okay.
I got good chat support immediately whenever I want. Very good chat support I got whenever I stuck in like an assessment in that time.
So Biswajit, you said you switched from a non-IT background to an IT background.
Yes.
So what thing motivated you to do this?
See, this is a generic question. Any non-IT person can't apply for IT profession. Okay. My first point is I am the person who don't know any technical knowledge. Even after that also, I gained some knowledge from Crio and applying for IT sector job. First of all, that coding knowledge, Java. I was totally new on that part. I don't know how it is like in that time. From zero I learned from like Java, enough like DSA. Every step they are helping. Crio, I'm getting help. My first interview was this, a good experience on that.
So this was your first walk-in interview,
Yes,
you can
yes,
say. Oh,
first.
that is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing all of the details.
Thank you so much.
And it was really good talking to you,
Yeah,
Biswajit.
thank you
So much for your time.